This is practice problem 6.2. Here I've got the scatter plot from the last problem showing the average body lengths and maximum speeds of various animals, and along with the scatter plot I've got a regression line. For part A, does this look like a good fit for the data, and what might be affecting our regression line? Well, it doesn't look like a good fit. It looks like I've got this group of animals over here which aren't fit very well at all to this line, and then I've got this point over here which is the elephant, and that's probably bringing my regression line down, so that would be what's affecting the line. For part B, this scatter plot leaves out the outlier of the African bush elephant. So based on this regression line, what would you predict the maximum speed of an animal with a body length of 200 centimeters to be? So we've got this line on my graph. If I go to body length of 200 centimeters and I go up, that's about here on my regression line, and that is at 100 kilometers per hour. So I would predict the maximum speed of an animal with a body length of 200 centimeters to be 100 kilometers per hour. For part C, in what range is the regression line a good predictor? Well, let's see. I've got this point here, which I said was the cheetah. And the cheetah is the fastest land animal, so I can't possibly have any animals that have a higher speed than that. So I know that my line can't be any good past this point here. For my smaller animals, it's also not a very good fit. These are way below my line, so maybe a good place to stop using the line would be about here. Now as I go up, my horse, which is actually a pretty fast animal, is pretty far below the line here, so maybe my line isn't a very good predictor even before I get to the cutoff point here. Maybe I should take it back to about this point. So that would give me a range of from about 40 centimeters to about 200 centimeters. And in that range, it seems like I can make pretty good predictions based on my line.